Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing great, and I know you did not expect me to see so soon again, but here we are. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about brushes. If you're just starting with makeup, then these are the brushes you will need. So if you want to watch which brushes do you need in your vanity, then please keep on watching. So we're going to start off with foundation and concealer. Now there are three options that you have in foundation and concealer. Now you can use either a flat brush, a Kabuki brush, or sponges. Now with flat brushes, you have to be very careful with what foundation are you using. This flat brush is by MAC. It's their MAC 190. This is the brush that they recommended when I bought their foundation. Now I use this with their foundation and it works perfectly, but you have to be very careful with the amount of foundation that you are using. This brush can leave streaks on your face and it can make your makeup look very patchy, and they can make your makeup look very cakey. So you have to be very careful with the flat brush. Now the other brush that you can use for foundation is the Kabuki brush. Now a Kabuki brush has a rounder surface and it's a very dense brush. So if you use this brush, you have to make sure that you go in a circular motion on your face. So if you go in circular motions, it will make sure that your foundation melts into your skin and makes your foundation look like a layer of your skin. So Kabuki brushes are like the go-to brushes for your foundation. And the third thing that you can use for your foundation are sponges. Now these sponges or beauty blenders are from Forever 21. There are the original beauty blenders that you get in Sephora, which are hella expensive, and these works just fine, just like those beauty blenders. And then you get other beauty sponges that you get in your local beauty shop. Now if you're a beginner, then I would recommend you to get the beauty blenders that you get in your local beauty shop, because I'm pretty sure if you're a beginner, you don't want to spend a lot of money on things like sponges. So I would recommend you to buy the sponges that you get in your local beauty shop. Now if you buy those sponges, you have to make sure that you dampen them properly. This is a beauty product that I swear by. Like, I have stopped using foundation brushes for a very long time. As soon as the beauty blenders came into the market, I stopped using the foundation brushes, because the beauty blenders make your foundation look like a layer of your skin, because damp beauty blenders makes your foundation melt into your skin. I would any day recommend you to buy sponges for your foundation and concealer rather than brushes. Now the next thing that you need in your vanity is a tapered fluffy brush. Now you need this brush to set your foundation, to contour your face, to put blush on your face, or to highlight. This is a multi-purpose brush. You can use this for anything. This has a perfect angle to set your foundation under your eyes, perfect angle to contour your face, perfect angle to put blush on your cheeks, and perfect angle to highlight your cheekbones. Now I would recommend this brush if you don't want to spend a lot of money on like angular contour brushes, fan brushes for highlighting. If you don't want to spend so much money on just brushes, you could just get a tapered fluffy brush and it works just the same. Now for your eyeshadow, one of the brushes that you need is a flat brush. Now this brush you need to pat your eyeshadow on your eyelids. Now you need a flat brush, because if you use a fluffy brush for your eyes or your eyelids, it may make your eyeshadow fall out onto your skin and it will just make a big mess. And the other brush that you need for your eyelids, if you are starting with eyeshadows, this brush is a must. This is a tapered blender brush. Now you need a blending brush to blend your eyeshadows. If you don't blend your eyeshadows, they do not look good no matter how much you try. You do need a blender brush. After you've pat your eyeshadow with this flat brush, you need a blending brush to blend your eyeshadow onto your crease. Now if you don't blend your eyeshadows, you will look like a hot mess. Now the last brush that I'm going to talk about is this angle blending brush. If you are someone like me who likes to use eyeshadows as eyeliners, and if you like to smudge your eyeliners in your waterline or something like that, this brush is a must, because this brush helps you smudge your eyeliner in your waterline, and this brush also helps you have a wing with your eyeshadow. Now I used to have a phase where I used to only use eyeshadows as my eyeliner, because it was just a phase. So I used to use just eyeshadows as eyeliners, and this brush used to work so perfectly because of its angular form. It used to give me that perfect wing. You can apply some concealer on the brush and just clean up your liner with this brush. So this brush can also help you amp up your look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you want a beginner's makeup look. If you do, I would love to do one. So please comment down below and let me know. Share this video and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and press that bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on all my social medias. The links will be down in the description box and on the screen. That's it guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Spread love.